Hey guys, we got this 2018 Chrysler 300 and we're replacing the rotors. So quick, easy job. So let me just show you what's needed and we'll go from there. So the rotor was completely shot. I mean, just look at the pad, completely metal to metal. Okay, so it's not hard at all. Just real quick, the caliper itself are 15. The two bolts that are holding the bracket of the caliper, those are 18 millimeter. And then just take out your rotor. We're gonna put the new one back in, clean this area out, see if it needs any adjustments on the shoes inside,